Some athletics news now with no finals scheduled for today's first day. Defending All-Island champions Lyssons Primary have put themselves in a strong position to maintain their dominance in the Insports All-Island Primary School's three-day track and field championships, which got underway on Thursday at the National Stadium. The St. Thomas School set the tone early in the relays by breaking the record in the Class 4x100 meters, clocking 60.65 seconds. Lyssons ran the fastest time in the girls' 800 medley relay with 2 minutes 03.32 seconds. They are strong in the individual sprints as well, with various athletes posting the fastest qualifying times in different classes. Last year's run-up, Naghead Primary, will prove competitive as they too advanced in many athletes. So too did Spanish Town Primary and Halfway Tree Primary. Lyssons Primary have won the championship on 3 occasions since 2022, with Naghead dethroning them in 2024, denying them 4 straight titles.
Today we started off not as we had expected. We have a few disappointments, but we are still in the race. We are willing to give it our shot, and we true soldiers never give up. Well, we had a disqualification in the 300 meters today, and the boys 4x2 did not advance to the finals. So those are some of the points that we were expecting. We were banking on them big, but we need to go back to the drawing board and to make things work.
Mackney Primary, located on the border of Clarendon and St. Anne, as well as Whitemarl Primary from St. Catherine, were not known track and field schools in the competition, but both are looking to grow their respective programs.
We turn out with about 40 athletes. Yeah, this is my second year, in the Insports Primary Championship, and it has been a tremendous one. A little bit of a bittersweet, but it's a learning experience for us, and we want to see the growth and development of the school as it relates to sports.
So this is our third trip at the moment. So our previous years, we got an okay performance so far with a little to no funding. But this year we are a bit disappointing in terms of how the athletes are performing. But seeing that we have to travel from so far, so it is a bit hectic on the kids in terms of performance-wise.
The championship continues on Friday and ends on Saturday.